Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. How Trump's tariffs are reshaping the future of the aircraft industry. The imposition of tariffs by President Donald Trump's administration is poised to reshape the aircraft industry in profound ways, affecting manufacturers, suppliers, and global trade dynamics. Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury has indicated that the company may prioritize deliveries to non-U.S. clients if U.S. tariffs impede imports. Despite Airbus's significant investments in the U.S., including a manufacturing facility in Alabama employing over 2,000 people, these trade barriers could force a strategic shift in their global operations. Boeing, as a major U.S. manufacturer, faces challenges due to increased costs of imported components resulting from tariffs. This escalation in production costs could affect pricing and competitiveness in the global market. The aircraft industry relies on intricate global supply chains. Tariffs on imports from key partners like Canada, Mexico, and China threaten to disrupt these networks, leading to delays and increased costs. For instance, the U.S. administration's announcement of 25% tariffs on Canadian and Mexican imports, effective March 2025, has raised alarms about significant repercussions on the aerospace ecosystem. In anticipation of tariffs, manufacturers have accelerated orders for durable goods to mitigate potential cost increases. This preemptive strategy reflects concerns about sustaining production efficiency amidst policy shifts. The tariffs mark a significant shift in U.S. trade policy, introducing broad economic and geopolitical implications. The aviation industry, deeply embedded in international trade, must navigate these changes, balancing compliance with new regulations and maintaining global partnerships. The long-term effects of these tariffs could lead to a restructuring of the aircraft industry's global landscape. Companies might explore alternative sourcing, adjust pricing strategies, or seek new markets to mitigate tariff impacts. The uncertainty surrounding these trade policies necessitates agile adaptation to sustain growth and competitiveness. In conclusion, President Trump's tariffs are set to alter the aircraft industry significantly, influencing manufacturing processes, supply chains, and international trade relations. Stakeholders must remain vigilant and adaptable to navigate this evolving landscape effectively. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.